Complete psychos, everybody. Look at us. Walking in the fucking blizzard. In the middle of the street. Like crazy asses. With fucking snow. This car stuck.
Oh my God.
In the middle of the street.
Oh.
Wintertime in Chicago, goddammit. Storm chasers, look at this fucking car. This the front of the car. This the back. Now you tell me if it can move. Storm chasers.
Just back out.
Walking down the streets of Chicago in the blizzard. When my baby get here to see this shit, this is gonna be fucking ridiculous. It's a car coming right now. And we're in the middle of the street storm chasing. Being crazy. Look at this.
Oh my God.
She right here. It's completely dark, as you can see, in the streets.
Oh my God.
These are the streets. We gotta be the dumbest people in the United States of America.
We're the only people out.
Cause we the only people outside in this shit. Still, we storm chasing. Going to check on the car. That's 2 blocks down. I think I need to be a news anchor. And here she is. She don't look that bad. I probably can get out, but I'm not gonna try.
Look, it's like 3 feet deep on the street.
This is the streets, y'all, which is like 3-4 feet deep in the streets. We fucking retarded. We've done enough. Let's get back in this house. We'll tune in tomorrow on Storm Chasers in the morning after the repercussion is over. Thank you and have a good night.